welcome back to my channel, and today I bring to you a review for a hairstyling tool. It's none other than the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. That's a big title. This is what the packaging looks like. I bought this off Amazon. For me, it was 70 Canadian dollars that I paid on Amazon, so it will depend on what country you're living in. This one is basically claiming to give you the salon kind of a blowout, so it's a combination of your blow dryer and the round brush. It's claiming to give you the extra lift, smooth volume, and the curled ends. I mean, if this can really do this, I think I'm going to be doing the salon blowouts by myself and not spending that crazy amount I give to my stylists. It's lightweight technology. I mean, this is how it looks like. If you ask me, I mean, this thing is like huge, almost like the size of my face, but I don't mind because I really feel that if this portion is like big in here, I can grab more bigger sections, which means I can do the styling and the drying more quicker. So that's okay, not a botheration for me. In terms of lightweight, yes, it is very much lightweight. The settings that they have in here, they have 3 different settings. So I'm just going to grab it like a little closely, if you can see. So they have an off, cool, medium, and high. What I read in reviews is that the only thing people are complaining a lot about this thing is that it's too loud. Now, this is my first impression video. I have not tried it yet. My hair is like damp. I'm going to first prep it. We'll try this out, see how loud or how bothering it is, and I'm going to let you know. But I'm going to do like most of the talking in terms of how I feel about it, what are my thoughts, if I feel it's worth buying, or whether you should be really investing in something like this, but only after I have given this thing a try. So without further ado, let's get into styling it. First thing before styling is, of course, prepping my hair. Now here, my hair is damp. I've had a shower, done my makeup, so it's a little bit damp. That's exactly what it says. It's supposed to be used on damp hair. Just shampoo and condition it. Next, I'm going to go in and put in the AVEDA Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I am absolutely loving this stuff. I mean, you can see how much I've used it up. So this is a very great leave-in conditioner. This much of it. Rub it all into my hands and just go on like on my hair. I'll just give those ends some good conditioning. The next thing I'm going to do is, because we are using a hot tool, so I'm going to use the Prep Rally Prep and Prem Detangler. This is by DRYBAR. This one came in the FabFitFun spring box a month ago. Trying this thing for the first time. It's got a spray bottle. It says it can protect up to 450 Fahrenheit of heat onto the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this all over my hair. This thing smells amazing. I never tried it before. I'm going to just take a white tooth comb and I'm going to brush my hair. This is supposed to be a detangler, but because my hair is like really thick and very coarse, they're wavy, thick, coarse, so I just don't want to take any chances in terms of break it. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly brush out any knots if I have. Now I'm going to section my hair in like 2 different parts. I'm going to secure the one side so it's out of the way. And now this side, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take like this big inch, like an inch and a half of a section. I'm just going to first try with this much of hair, see how it works, and if I feel the brush can take more of my hair, just because they are very thick. So we want it to be done efficiently. So I'm going to start with this and we'll see how it goes on. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of people, as I said, I read in the reviews, were complaining that this thing is too loud. So before I actually go ahead and start doing it, I just want to give you guys a taster of how loud this can be. Okay, this thing's like pretty loud. What I'm going to do is, when I am like doing the hair, I'm just going to mute the sound off for this. So just so that, you know, it doesn't bother you guys, like you don't have to listen to it. I'm going to be using this on high heat just because my hair is not equipped for something like low. Oh my goodness, do you see those ends? Look at that. It's slicky, shiny, and it definitely curves it. I'm gonna go ahead, finish the rest of my head, and come back quickly. I'll come back and let you know how much time it actually took me to do my entire head. Okay, clearly you can see this side is way better than the way I did this side. It's probably because I'm using this thing for the first time. You probably will need some time to kind of like get your hands on it in terms of how you're using it, rotating it. So I definitely can see a very vast difference in terms of like the way I blow dried this and the way this thing came off. So I don't know if you're able to see the ends. Like, look, you can definitely see a difference. Now, I am going to just take a few pieces of my hair, like in the front in here, and kind of over direct it, just to get like a nice wave and volume on top of my head. So over directing it instantly has given me a boost of volume, like just in this area. I mean, you can definitely go ahead and over direct some more behind, just if you need like a lot of volume on your crown. I'm just going to go with the L'Oreal's Penetrating Oil. This is the hair serum I have been using after I have blow dried or just flush dried my hair. So this gives me a lot of shine, helps with all the frizz. My hair is like so freaking frizzy. Can't even talk. Okay, so here's the finished look now after the serum and all of my hair products and the drying is done. You guys can see I have done definitely better on this side than this. It's because I've been using it for the first time, and by the time I came onto this side of my head, I was like a bit more pro in doing it. Talking about whether this is worth, if this really works, whether you should invest in something like this. Now, I'll just start with some of its cons first. I majorly find two cons in here. Firstly, yes, it's definitely loud. Definitely loud. When it comes to doing like this part of the head, this really goes into your eardrums. So yes, Revlon, if you can improve on that, definitely, please work on the sound. Other than that, the other con I feel is that it gets so hot. I mean, I am wearing my makeup. I started to sweat. Now, other thing to keep in mind is they don't come in with the gloves. I don't know why, because this thing in here, when you're holding it to like rotate your hair into the brush, this thing gets really hot. So I wish it came in with some glove that could have protected the hands, but no. Other than that, if I have to talk about the pros, the price it's retailed at for something like this and the result it's giving, I feel it's totally reasonable. One thing I really like, and I would also consider that as a pro, is that I have not seen my hair getting frizzy at all. I mean, I have put this serum, that's fine because that's part of my hair routine. I do it anyways, but I have not seen any frizzes. These in here, they definitely look more sleek. It gives a nice texture. The shine, totally. I mean, I'm totally up for the shine. It definitely gives that amazing shine that you're looking at. Again, this is the first time I'm doing it. The more, probably when you do it, the more you're regular with it, you would know your own tricks and hacks of how you can get the look, the desired look that you want. Worth it. I really like it. I'm impressed. Also, in terms of the time, it took me about 18 minutes to get it sorted. This one went pretty quick because by the time I came here, I knew exactly how and what I'm supposed to do. But this year, it was like a trial and error thing. My hair were getting caught up, but I think it's just the way I was holding the brush. The bristles, I feel they're very soft. They're definitely not like very sharp, or it's going to like, you know, just scratch your scalp or something like that. No. Bristles are very good. It's just that you obviously have to keep cleaning it. I mean, that's with any usual brush. Now that I have ranted so much and told you guys about what I feel about this thing, do let me know if you guys have used this before, or whether you think it's worth it or not, or if you've encountered any other problems or any other good things about it that I might have missed. These are all just in my personal opinion. Do let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. See ya!